Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with my February 2019 Ipsy unbagging. This just came in the mail today and I wanted to go ahead and share with you what I received. I'm very excited about it. So first of all, this is what the bag looks like for this month. Super cute. It's got these pink lips all over it, kind of a rubbery zipper tag, and it's a pretty good sized bag. Like, I'm impressed. This is really nice. However, when I feel it, it feels like there's nothing in it. It's that slim. I do have a couple items outside of the bag. They are right here. It is 2 face masks, and these are from Surmedic. I have one for Age Control Multivita and one is Vital Collagen. So I'm very excited about these. I really like sheet masks. I've been using them a lot and I've never tried any from this brand, so I'm very excited about this. Going into the actual bag, this is what I have inside. I have a little product from Meech and Mia. I don't know if I've ever heard of their brand, but this is I guess a pressed eyeshadow in the shade Caramel. This is what it looks like. It's just a gold shade. I'm not gonna swatch it for you guys because I have so many gold shades that I want to go ahead and give this to someone who might not have something like this. It's not something that I need because I have so many of this type of shadow, so I'm gonna go ahead and pass that along. Next up, I have from Ico a Lash Alert mascara. It's in this tube right here. If you can see, I don't know how well the light's picking it up, but the way that the light's hitting this product for me, I can actually see like how much product is in here, and there's not very much. I opened it up earlier and the brush is not even completely coated. It's an interesting brush because it's slightly angled, slightly rounded, but it's not even completely coated by the mascara, just like the first half of it is, because there's not a lot of product inside this tube. So that's kind of upsetting, but I am excited to try this mascara out. I have heard pretty good things about it, so I'm definitely willing to give it a go. Next up, I have this brush. This is from Aisling Organics, perhaps, and it is a dual-ended brush. I love receiving brushes in subscription boxes. This is the brush 389. On one side we have a flat shader, but it's a very rectangular shape. Like, usually they're slightly domed or slightly rounded. This is very rectangular. And then same for the blender side, a tapered blending. It is also very rectangular and not very domed. So I'm curious to see how well this will work. The bristles are very soft. I'm sure it works nicely. It's just an interesting shape. Last but not least, the thing I'm most excited about from Douce Cosmetics, I have the Fierce and Fine graphic pen. It's just a felt tip liquid liner. I'm turning it the wrong way for you, but that's what it looks like. This is the brush tip. If you have seen my winged liner tutorial, you know how much I love felt tip liners. This one is going to be no exception. I already know. Look how thin that line is right there. Excuse the other swatches on my hand, but look how thin that line is. It's nice black and it seems to be budge proof, smudge proof. If I'm rubbing it, you can't really see it transferring anywhere, so I'm excited about that. I will link my eyeliner tutorial down below because it is super easy to follow and I'm really proud of it, so make sure that you check that out. So this is the other thing that I wanted to show you. This is a theme for this month. It is xoxoipsy and it says swoon so hard. There's lots to love this month aside from your 5 personalized picks. Flip for more on those. Let us introduce you to your next beauty crush, Ipsy add-ons. Starting now, in addition to your 5 picks, you can choose any 3 product samples, hair, makeup, skincare, and more to add to your next glam bag starting at $3 each. We'll keep things fresh with 30+ new add-on products every single month, all from brands you love like Huda Beauty, Sunday Riley, Smashbox, and more. You'll never run out of things to try, and you get free shipping on the add-ons. So be on the lookout or check ipsy.com at the beginning of the month. It is first come first serve, so if they sell out of those add-ons, then they're gone. That's how it is. And then they also redid their quiz, so you can log into your account and retake the quiz and get more personalized picks for you. And then on the back of the card this month, it actually shows you all the products with some details about them. So I think that that's really cool. I really appreciate that. So the tip for like the brush. Use the blender side to blend shadow into your eye crease, the flat end to smudge shadow onto your lower lash line, and the flat end to clean up your brows with concealer. So it talks about the products, then gives a tip for each of them as well. So that's really cool. I haven't seen that yet before. I will have my Ipsy link down below. It gives me points. It allows you to sign up. That's all it is. Ipsy is $10 a month. I've been subscribed forever, and I will have my Ipsy playlist link down below as well. Go ahead and let me know if you are subscribed to Ipsy what products you received this month and what your thoughts are on the Ipsy add-ons. I personally think it's really cool. I haven't got any yet, but I have seen it on my profile for like the last 2 or 3 months as an option to be able to get some. So hopefully in the future I'll have some extra add-ons with my bag. I'm very excited about that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and leave me a thumbs up if you did, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you